This is my body. Yeh chu mion paan. Yeh chu mion paan. This is my head. Yeh chu mion color. Yeh chu mion color. This is your face. Yeh chu chon buth. Yeh chu chon buth. This is your hand. Yeh chu chon ath. Yeh chu chon ath. These are my hands. Yim ch myon ath. Yim ch myon ath. These are my feet. Yim ch myon khor. Yim ch myon khor. These are your ears. Yim ch chön kan. Yim ch chön kan. These are your thumbs. Yim ch chön nyot. Yim ch chön nyot. This is my nose. Yeh che myon nas. Yeh che myon nas. This is my finger. Yeh che myon ongaj. Yeh che myon ongaj. This is your neck. Yeh che chön gardan. Yeh che chön gardan. This is your tongue. Yeh che chön zev. Yeh che chön zev. These are my fingers. Yim che myane ongj. Yim che myane ongj. These are my eyebrows. Yim che myane bum. Yim che myane bum. These are your legs. Yim che chane zang. Yim che chane zang. These are your eyes. Yim che chane ach. Yim che chane ach. This is your hair. Yeh chu tuhund mas. Yeh chu tuhund mas. This is your knee. Yeh chu tuhund kot. Yeh chu tuhund kot. This is your chin. Yeh che tuhuns hongain. Yeh che tuhuns hongain. This is your belly. Yeh che tuhuns yad. Yeh che tuhuns yad. These are your knees. Yim ch tuhund kot. Yim ch tuhund kot. These are your lips. Yim ch tuhund wut. Yim ch tuhund wut. These are your arms. Yim che tuhunz nare. Yim che tuhunz nare. These are your eyes. Yim che tuhunz ach. Yim che tuhunz ach. This is his, her son. Yeh chu temsund nechu. Yeh chu temsund nechu. These are his, her parents. Yim ch temsind mol maj. Yim ch temsind mol maj. These are his, her daughters. Yim che temsinz kore. Yim che temsinz kore. Remember, when you are referring to plural words for a third person, you use temsund, temsind, or temsinz. We use temsund because you are referring to sun. Sun is a masculine noun. Temsind is used because we are referring to mole and merge, which is parents. And temsinz, kore. Kore, daughters in this case, is feminine. That's why we use temsinz. In the Kashmiri language, when you're talking about a third person, it does not matter whether it is a he, she, or they. You refer to all of them in a single way. There is no differentiation between their gender. For example, this is his, her, and their. His, her, and their will not have any impact on the way you speak Kashmiri. So, this is their brother is Yichu Tihund boy. Yichu Tihund boy. These are their relatives is Yimche Tihind Ashnav. Yimche Tihind Ashnav. This is their sister is Yiche Tihins Benye. Yiche Tihins Benye. These are their neighbors becomes Yim Che Tihins Hamsaye. Yim Che Tihins Hamsaye. Tihund is used for masculine word like boy. Tihind is used for plural but masculine word like Ashnav. Tihins is used for singular but feminine word like benye. And tihinze is used for plural but feminine word like hamsaye.